Hello and welcome to another video. This is lecture number 34 from the series Learn Adobe Illustrator. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Photoshop effects in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see in the screen, that these effects are applied with the Adobe Illustrator, and these are from the Adobe Photoshop. So how you can do this in Adobe Illustrator? All of these designs are in the effect menu, and you can see Illustrator effects over here, and down here you can see the Photoshop effects. So if you have something on your artboard, a name image, is you will have to select the image first and then go to the effect panel and then come over here the effect gallery. If I click on it, you can see some effect from the Photoshop effects applied to this image. Here I can make changes to the effect. I can reduce stroke or pressure or brightness, and here I have a lot of different effects like color pencil, cutout and dry brush, and you will have different effects on different kind of colors and images. So make sure if you are applying something on white object, then you will get different effect, and if you are applying to any neon or sharp color, then you will have different effect. So just go through all of these effects to get a good idea about these. So this one is one of my favorite, plastic wrap, and as you can see, this is very lovely effect in Adobe Illustrator. So you don't have to go to the Adobe Photoshop to get this kind of effect. So another good effect that you can apply to any design. So here are more folders. These are for the brushes, then some distort that you can apply on the image, and see, these are good as well. And then there are some sketches, and it will be black, like if you are going to apply this. So the charcoal area, you can just play with this, or you can increase or decrease the size for the chalk and stroke pressure. And more under this is some cool effects, and there is one. You can see different results from these, and here is one texture one that most of us use in Photoshop. So there are different textures that you can apply onto your design. So you will have to just click OK over here to get this design done. Okay, this I'm going to choose this one over here and pressing OK. As you can see, this one is applied to your design. So how you can see that anything is applied on your design or not? You can see this filled circle over here. It means some effect is applied to your design. And you can go over here in the appearance icon, and you can see that you have applied the graphic pen effect on it. So here you can make changes if you want to. So small lines and long lines, so you can change the directions as well. The first one was good, and I press OK, and it is applied to the design. If you want to apply permanently over here, then you can just go to object and then expand appearance. So this effect is applied to your design. So you should try all of these designs to get used to it, and you must have to select any of the things to just apply on it. See, if I don't select anything, then nothing will show in the effect menu. Another thing that you can do in Adobe Illustrator is make your image blur. So here is the panel for making it blur. You can do apply. You have to select something over here, then go to effect menu, then blur and Gaussian blur. Make sure you turn on the preview. See, here you can just make it glow. So if you make it 2 copies, Control C, Control F, and second one, make it blur, so it will look like some light emitting from the design. This is cool. I'm going to move to this one, and then now if I select this one, I will go to effect. I just showed you some Gaussian blur. You can try the radial blur and smart blur. After that is the same the thing from the effect gallery, the brush stroke, the distort is diffuse glow. This is already in the effect menu. Then pixelate, these are the textured ones. So sketch and stylize, glowing edges and texture and video. So you can try different things from these Photoshop effect panel. I hope this was informative for you, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.